factor polynomials. Common factor. So poly means many. We did mono the last two assignments. That means one. Binomial means two. Trinomial means three. And poly means many. So poly means binomial and trinomial. And anything above, really, one. Anything above monomial means polynomial. Okay, let's get into the first question. Let me snip it. And always, always read the question, people. The bold is what you actually have to answer. Okay, so read this. What is the length and the width of the rectangle? Okay, sometimes they're only asking for one of them.
Student just left the health office. Can you call me?
Sorry. Okay. So we have these numbers in here. We want to figure out what the greatest common factor is of both of these numbers. Looking at it right now, 70 and 30, I can pull out a 10. And I don't see any other numbers. 15 does not go into 70. So that's going to be our greatest number. And then how many y's do we have? We have 8 here and 6 there. So our greatest common factor is going to be 10y to the 6th. That will go right here as our width. And then we have to figure out our length. So let me clean up some of this work. 10 times what equals 70? That would be 7. Then y6 to y8, we are missing 2 y's. So 7y squared. We're not done yet. We still have to get to 30. y6. So 10 times what equals 30? That'd be 3. y6, y6. We need no more y's. So it'll be y to the 0 or just 3. So our answer here is 10y to the 6th times 7y cubed. Seven y. Sorry, 7y squared. I didn't say that right. 10y to the 6th, and their length is 7y squared plus 3. Sorry, I wasn't thinking right. Okay, let's do. Okay, so this is just like the last one, but there's no image. Let's snip it. Okay, so greatest common factors. The number 20, 15, and 40. If you can't do this in your head, do it just like the last assignment. Make a full list of all the factors. In this case, it's going to be 5. Okay. And how many y's? y6, y4, y2. So y2 is our smallest number. And now we need to find our 3 monomials that match up with the numbers up there. So we're looking at this number times what equals 20? Well, that would be 4. And we have 2 y's down here. We need to get to 6, so we need to add 4 more. Then 5 times what equals negative 15? That's negative 3. Y squared to y4 means we're missing 2 y's. And then 5 times what equals 40? Positive 8. And we do not need any more y's. So our answer is this whole thing. So 5y squared, parentheses, oops, make sure you get out of the exponent land. And we have 4y cubed, sorry, to the 4th, not cubed, I keep saying cubed for no reason. Minus 3y squared, plus 8. Let's do one more. All right, this one's a little easier. Okay, snip. All right, so we need the width and the length. So let's first go to our width. What's our greatest common factor of 14 and 6? They're both even. So a 2 can come out. The other factors of 6 are 3 and 6. Both 3 and 6 do not go to 14. So 2 is our number. And I see 4 x's and 2 x's. So 2x squared is our width. Then 2x squared times what equals 14x to the 4th. That'd be 7x squared. And then 2x squared times what equals 6x squared. That'd be positive 3. So that would be 7x squared plus 3. what's it? 2x squared, and then 7x squared plus 3, right? Yeah. Okay. I'll do this one really quick in my head. So 14 and 28. The greatest number I can pull out would be 14. And I see x squared and x5, so it'll be x squared, parentheses, what is left over. I need just a 1 for the first term, and then plus 2x to the third. Okay, so 1 times 14x squared equals 14x squared. And then 14x squared times 2x cubed equals 28x to the fifth. There we go.